Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome a new era in mobile technology with the release of the iPhone 16e, Apple's latest addition to its lineup, designed to deliver top-tier features at an affordable price. Let's take a closer look at what makes this device stand out in today's competitive smartphone market. Design and display. The iPhone 16e features a 6.1-inch OLED display with a notch that houses the Face ID system. With a sleek, all-display design and a durable aluminum frame, this phone modernizes the budget-friendly iPhone category. It comes in two color options, black and white, offering a minimalist aesthetic. Unlike its predecessors, this model has replaced the classic mute switch with Apple's new action button, allowing users to assign custom shortcuts for quick access to important functions. Performance and power. At the heart of the iPhone 16e is the powerful A18 chip, delivering up to 80% faster performance compared to the A13 Bionic found in the iPhone 11. The neural engine inside this chip is designed to handle machine learning tasks up to 6 times faster, making it a great option for AI-powered features like Apple Intelligence, Genmoji, and ChatGPT integration. This leap in performance makes multitasking, gaming, and content creation more seamless than ever before. Camera capabilities for photography lovers. The iPhone 16e sports a 48MP Fusion camera with a 2x telephoto zoom, capturing high-resolution images even without a dedicated secondary lens. It supports portrait mode, night mode, and HDR, ensuring high-quality shots in various lighting conditions. On the front, a 12MP true-depth camera provides sharp selfies and Face ID authentication. Video recording reaches up to 4K with Dolby Vision at 60 frames per second, with new spatial audio recording and audio mix features, allowing users to enhance sound quality. Post-capture connectivity and battery life. Apple introduces its first in-house C1 modem, optimizing 5G connectivity with greater efficiency. Although it does not support mmWave 5G, the modem ensures reliable and fast data speeds on sub-6 GHz networks. The battery life is another major highlight, offering up to 26 hours of video playback, a significant improvement compared to previous models. Wireless charging is supported, but MagSafe is not included, limiting wireless charging speeds to 7.5W. Qi-based charging software and special features running on iOS 18. The iPhone 16e brings Apple's latest software enhancements, including Apple Intelligence, Visual Intelligence, and enhanced Siri capabilities. Satellite connectivity is also available, allowing for emergency SOS, roadside assistance, and messages via satellite, ensuring users remain connected even in remote areas. Pricing and availability. With a starting price of $599 for 128 GB, the iPhone 16e offers a budget-friendly alternative to the standard iPhone 16 while still maintaining premium Apple features. It is available for pre-order now, with official sales starting on February 28, 2025. Final thoughts. The iPhone 16e represents a strategic shift in Apple's product lineup, replacing the iPhone SE with a modern, full-screen design and advanced AI capabilities. While it lacks some high-end features like cinematic mode or MagSafe, it delivers remarkable performance, excellent battery life, and an improved camera experience at an affordable price. This model is a testament to Apple's commitment to making powerful technology more accessible to a wider audience. Thanks for watching our videos. Please like and subscribe our channel Jucter.